Alright, here's our meat for our grilled cheese sandwiches. It's already been sweating for several hours with Uncle Steve's SPG, salt, pepper, and garlic. And I did add a little bit of kosher salt to it, just a little bit. So I'm only going to cook up one for the wife and I, then I'm going to vacuum seal the other ones. Let's get this thing on the grill. We're going to let this smoke a little bit, and then we're going to sear it. Man, if you could smell that pecan smoke. In case you haven't heard, Sleeper Barbecue also has an embroidery channel. Here's a couple of our recent customers. Sal with SJ Cooks. Here is the gray, again Decky flat bills, custom fitted to his head, front and back. Got a couple more. Shameless plug for myself. I know this guy personally. Sleeper Barbecue. Guggen, AJ. So, check us out. Thank you. Alright, let's check that other side. Got a little ways to go yet. One more flip and I think that'll do it. Alright, and here I've got probably, I don't know, I want to say 10, 12 ounces of a beef broth. I've got about a quarter of a cup of this sweet bourbon marinade. Love this stuff. It's made by a Taste of Inspirations. Stuff is great. Also in here, I've got about a tablespoon of chopped garlic. And I got about a tablespoon of stone ground mustard. I'm just going to mix this up. And this is going to be my braising liquid, along with the juices that the chuck roast makes on its own. Then I'll take that chuck roast out. If all goes to plan, I'm going to be able to shred that up. And I'm going to thicken this this marinating juice right here, cooking braising juice. I'm going to thicken this braising juice up so that I can put that pulled chuck roast back into this before making the grilled cheese sandwiches with it. Foil's nice and tight. I don't want none of that heat and steam to escape. We'll bring it back. Alright, let's give it another look at. Foil's still hot. Ouch! Steam is hot. Did rotate it one time. Leveled up my Weber. I forgot to do that. I normally always do that, but I did forget it. Are we boiling? Alright, we're going to pull this one out of this braising pan. Because I want to get this cooking juice $2.09. I'm going to put some cornstarch in there. I have no idea how much I'm going to need, but we'll get that covered up. back on the Weber. Alright, we got it pulled, but I think I'm just going to go and chop it up a little bit. Alright. Sorry I didn't show you everything, but we're going to get some of our gravy that we made back on top. Mix it in and go to the next step. Right here I have a cheese sourdough bread, and this right here is just a plain old sourdough bread, and we're going to make some grilled cheese sandwiches. Alright, that'll be enough to get us going. So we got our blue bonnet. To room temperature. We grab a helping of that. This is a zesty marinated mozzarella. It's actually what they call a mozzarella knot. I have not been able to get that panela cheese for some time. They stopped carrying it, and I was really liking that cheese. But life goes on. Find a substitute. Turn it up. And we're going to put a cheese one together. Turn them up and let them go. We'll bring it back. Alright. Before Mr. Sleeper comes out here shaking her finger at me because she's hungry, just slice into these. It tastes just like pot roast. Excellent. Nice crunch on it, on the toast. I promise you, we'll be doing these again. Hands down, the cheese sourdough bread takes the cake. Excellent. They're both really good, but that cheese flavor, it's got to be some type of a cheddar or something. I don't know what it is, but it just says cheese sourdough bread. I bought it at a local store, and it just adds that little extra flavor that took it over the top. Burnt my tongue on that hot cheese, but that hot zesty mozz cheese, but man, they were great. I can't wait to do them again. I'm Lance, Sleeper Barbecue. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you back again.